Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into future inventions that will change the world, from flying planes to AI-powered robots. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your hands, right now. The Doppelmayr Garaventa urban mobility concept is a groundbreaking vision for the future of transportation in modern cities. Designed to reduce congestion and promote sustainability, this innovative system seamlessly integrates multiple modes of travel into one unified experience. At its core are cable-based gondolas, which are already known for their efficiency and eco-friendliness in mountainous regions. However, this concept takes them far beyond tourism by blending them with autonomous ground vehicles and rail networks. The key innovation lies in a universal coupling mechanism, which allows each gondola cabin to transition smoothly between aerial ropeways, city streets, and even train systems, all without passengers ever leaving their seat. This creates a seamless, point-to-point travel experience that saves time, reduces stress, and minimizes the need for multiple transfers. Not only is this concept highly practical, but it also aligns with the growing global push toward greener, more efficient transport solutions. By reducing reliance on cars and easing pressure on overcrowded roads, the Doppelmayr Garaventa system could significantly cut emissions while improving urban mobility. Although still in the conceptual phase, experimental installations have already proven its feasibility, offering a glimpse of how tomorrow's cities could move people more efficiently. Pininfarina's Teorema concept is not just a car, it is a revolutionary vision of the future of mobility. Developed entirely in virtual reality, this concept showcases how technology, design, and sustainability can come together to reshape the way we travel. It is a fully autonomous electric vehicle, which means there is no need for a driver. Instead, the vehicle opens from the rear, revealing a lounge-style interior that feels more like a futuristic living room than a traditional car. Inside, the Teorema can comfortably seat 5 passengers face-to-face, creating a social and interactive environment. This space is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing passengers to work, relax, or immerse themselves in entertainment while the car drives itself. Adaptive seating and intelligent space optimization highlight how comfort and practicality can blend seamlessly with innovation. On the outside, the Teorema features a sleek, aerodynamic body that glides silently across the road. Its design is not only visually stunning, but also efficient, powered entirely by zero-emission electric technology. This makes it environmentally friendly, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable planet. By merging art with cutting-edge engineering, Pininfarina's Teorema concept is more than transportation. It is an experience. It provides a glimpse into a connected, luxurious, and sustainable future, where travel becomes smarter, greener, and far more enjoyable. The Nautilus Aircraft is a groundbreaking innovation in aviation, introducing a blended wing-body design that combines aerodynamics, efficiency, and spaciousness in one futuristic package. Unlike traditional planes, this unique structure reduces drag, boosts fuel efficiency, and creates more room inside the cabin. The company's first creation, the Kona, is an autonomous cargo plane capable of carrying nearly 4 tons of goods over 900 nautical miles, making shipping faster, cheaper, and more eco-friendly. Building on this success, Nautilus is developing the Horizon passenger jet, designed to carry 200 passengers across 3,500 nautical miles, while using 30% less fuel and offering 40% more cabin space compared to conventional aircraft. With billions in pre-orders and successful test flights, Nautilus is shaping the future of aviation, smarter, greener, and more efficient than ever before. The Verdie Robot, developed by Electric Sheep Robotics, is an innovative solution designed to transform outdoor maintenance. Built to autonomously handle tasks like edging, trimming, and leaf blowing, Verdie takes on labor-intensive work with precision and efficiency. What makes it truly unique is its reliance on Electric Sheep's proprietary ES1 AI agent, which allows it to navigate and operate in outdoor environments without the need for pre-programmed paths. This means Verdie can seamlessly adapt to its surroundings and work effectively alongside human crews. Beyond its functionality, Verdie also carries a touch of charm. Its design was inspired by beloved movie robots like WALL-E and R2-D2, giving it a friendly and approachable personality. This combination of practicality and appealing design makes it stand out in the world of robotics. Currently, Verdie is being deployed in multiple locations, and Electric Sheep envisions it as a step toward revolutionizing outdoor maintenance. With its sustainable, autonomous solutions, Verdie represents the future of landscaping technology. The Phasa 35 is a groundbreaking solar-electric high-altitude pseudo-satellite developed by BAE Systems in partnership with Prismatic. Designed to operate in the stratosphere, this uncrewed aerial system combines lightweight construction with advanced solar technology to create a platform capable of extraordinary endurance and versatility. With a massive wingspan of 35 meters and a weight of just 150 kilograms, the Phasa 35 is engineered for efficiency. It can soar to altitudes of around 65,000 feet, providing a stable and persistent platform ideal for communications, surveillance, environmental monitoring, and even disaster relief operations. By harnessing solar energy during the day and storing power in rechargeable batteries for night use, the system has the potential to remain airborne for up to a year without landing. An unprecedented achievement in unmanned flight. Its first successful flight in June 2023 was a significant milestone, reaching over 66,000 feet and proving its capabilities in real-world conditions. This test not only showcased its endurance, but also marked a major advancement in high-altitude unmanned technologies. The Phasa 35 demonstrates how solar power, lightweight design, and autonomous systems can work together to create long-endurance aerial platforms. It offers a glimpse into the future of persistent airborne solutions, capable of supporting both civilian and defense applications, while promoting cleaner, more sustainable aviation. The Black Panther robot is a cutting-edge quadruped machine that takes speed and agility in robotics to an entirely new level. Inspired by the sleek movements of black panthers and the springy strides of jerboas, this robotic marvel weighs 38 kilograms, stands 0.63 meters tall, and can sprint 100 meters in under 10 seconds. That performance makes it one of the fastest robotic runners in the world, showcasing the incredible potential of biomimetic engineering. Its body is engineered for power and efficiency. The robot's carbon fiber shins provide strength without unnecessary weight, while spring-loaded knees add an extra boost of energy during sprints. To further improve traction and mobility, the designers equipped it with cheetah-inspired running shoes, enhancing grip, shock absorption, and stability on different terrains. Every movement looks fluid and natural, a true reflection of nature's best designs translated into robotics. But speed isn't its only strength. The Black Panther robot is equipped with AI-driven gait optimization, enabling it to move with remarkable precision and intelligence. This makes it suitable for real-world applications far beyond demonstration. From industrial tasks and logistics to disaster response in dangerous environments, the robot is designed to excel in high-performance and high-risk scenarios. The Black Panther 2.0 isn't just another robot. It represents the future of biomimetic machines. By blending natural inspiration with advanced AI and mechanical engineering, it offers a glimpse into a world where robotic systems can match and even surpass the agility of living creatures. The Airbus A350F Freighter is a next-generation aircraft designed to transform the future of global air cargo. Based on the proven and trusted A350 passenger jet platform, this freighter brings together cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and sustainability in one powerful package. Constructed with a mostly carbon composite airframe, the A350F is both strong and lightweight, ensuring maximum payload capacity while minimizing overall weight. It is powered by advanced Rolls-Royce engines, delivering exceptional performance with up to 40% lower fuel burn and CO2 emissions compared to older freighters in its class. This makes it one of the most eco-friendly solutions in modern cargo aviation. One of its standout features is the largest main deck cargo door in its category, enabling faster and safer loading and unloading of goods, including oversized shipments. With a payload capability of up to 109 tons, the A350F can efficiently handle massive cargo volumes while maintaining reliability and operational flexibility. The aircraft also supports the use of sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, further reducing its environmental footprint. Combined with advanced aerodynamics and seamless integration into existing fleets, it offers airlines both economic and ecological advantages. The Airbus A350F isn't just another cargo plane. It is the smartest and greenest investment for the future of global air freight, setting a new standard in performance, sustainability, and efficiency. The Michelin Wisamo project is a groundbreaking innovation that brings new life to maritime travel with its inflatable wing sail. Designed to tackle the pressing issues of fuel consumption and carbon emissions, this technology is a smart and sustainable solution for both cargo ships and leisure vessels. Unlike traditional sails, the Wisamo is fully automated and can be deployed within minutes, making it user-friendly and highly efficient. The inflatable wing sail captures the natural power of the wind, providing ships with a clean, cost-free boost. Rather than replacing engines, it complements them, significantly improving overall efficiency. With fuel savings of up to 20%, it represents a major step forward in reducing the environmental impact of global shipping, a sector known for its high emissions. One of the standout features of the Wisamo is its telescopic mast and soft air-filled structure. These elements make it lightweight, safe, and adaptable, allowing it to be installed not only on new ships, but also retrofitted onto existing fleets. This versatility ensures that the technology can be widely adopted across the maritime industry. By blending centuries-old sailing principles with modern engineering and materials, Michelin is showing how innovation can preserve tradition while addressing today's environmental challenges. The Wisamo project isn't just about efficiency. It's about charting a cleaner, more sustainable course for the future of the world's oceans. The Cellx is a cutting-edge, automated biodispensing platform designed to revolutionize medical research in the field of 3D cell culture. Developed by Cellx, this advanced benchtop device empowers scientists to create highly precise and complex 3D cell models without requiring specialized coding or CAD design skills. By simplifying the process, Cellx makes high-level bioengineering more accessible to researchers worldwide. At the core of the system is Cellx's patented biopod technology. This innovation enables the mixing, dispensing, and printing of biomaterials such as collagen, hydrogels, and other cell-friendly substances with exceptional accuracy. The result is the ability to generate realistic tissue and tumor models that closely mimic natural biological environments. Such models are invaluable for drug testing, disease research, and cancer studies, providing more reliable data while reducing reliance on animal testing. Another key strength of the Cellx is its ability to support high-throughput experiments. It can efficiently handle formats such as 384 well plates, saving researchers significant time while minimizing human error. The automation ensures consistency and reproducibility across experiments, which is critical in medical and pharmaceutical research. By combining precision, scalability, and ease of use, the Cellx represents a major step forward in bioprinting and biomedical innovation. It brings scientists closer to developing better therapies, accelerating drug discovery, and advancing cancer research, ultimately pushing the boundaries of what is possible in modern healthcare. The MotoEye E6 is an advanced motorcycle helmet HUD designed to completely transform the riding experience. Acting as an all-in-one smart device, it projects essential information, such as navigation, speed, calls, and music, directly into the rider's line of sight. This ensures that bikers can stay fully informed without ever taking their eyes off the road. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, the E6 also supports voice commands, making it easy to control hands-free. A built-in rear-view camera enhances safety by expanding visibility, while the mesh intercom allows communication with up to 9 riders at once, perfect for group trips. Its large, glove-friendly remote further adds to convenience. The MotoEye E6 is not only about smart features, but also durability. With an IP66 waterproof rating, it's designed to withstand all weather conditions, while fitting comfortably on various helmet types, even for riders who wear glasses. For those seeking a safer, smarter, and more connected ride, the MotoEye E6 is the ultimate upgrade.